scared of soccer moms like that. I feel like they're gonna swap lanes just for the hell of it, and they won't even see me or hear me or feel me. So see, the thing with rev matching on this R6 is that the throttle is so jerky. Now when I try to rev match and try to blip the throttle, it just jerks me each time. Well, not a fully jerk, but a semi-jerk. I don't want to be jerked around like that. I forgot I could lane split. I just remembered like right now that yeah, I could have lane split it. Head back over there. I just want to keep making her scream. I could have turned right here, but there's a lot of nails and gravel in the middle, and I don't want to have with that. See, it just jerks you. You see that? It's not a smooth throttle response. It just jerks you. Ducati Monster, new one, but he didn't weigh back. Not because of that, I'm just excited to be out. I'm just excited to be out. Oh, that was ugly. Oh, that was ugly. But that car scared me for a second. It's gonna close, isn't it? Yeah. No front camera today, it's just us. Just this way. Outwards. Nowhere near full throttle, man. She screams so loud and so beautifully. You see, this one has a aftermarket quick shifter, not an auto blipper, but an aftermarket quick shifter from Bazzaz. I don't know which one that Nimbus has. I don't know what company made that one, and I also don't know which company made Ducatis, Broly's. I have no idea. So the thing is that each one is different sensitivity. Each shifter is made out of almost the same material, but like the build quality is different. This one's super sensitive. The other ones aren't. I can hit it hard, I can hit it light, it's easier, it just detects it. This one, it's kind of on the fence. So sometimes I hit it just a bit and it jerks me, or sometimes I hit it just a bit and it gets stuck. Like it takes a very long time because I didn't hit it all the way. I was about to downshift without a clutch. So it just varies, and that's the thing that I never get used to because, well, I don't ride that often anymore. Like, I don't ride each bike that often anymore. She's still smooth, and then I want to say above like 8-10k RPM, she screams like anything. And then she has this really high-pitched moan around like 14 to redline is where she really But like all of a sudden she'll just, you see that? When you hear that tone change, that means she's kicked it up and she's releasing more power to you. The power band for an R6 is more mid to high. There's low, I wouldn't even say it's mid, I would say it's mid-high and then high. So the higher part of mid, the higher part of medium. And that's where the rev range stays. Rev range and all that stuff for this bike is, until you get the ECU flash, and then it's more smoother and a lot more of a joy to ride, so I've heard. loud though. When I ride the other bikes, especially Nimbus with the SC Project exhaust, she's hella loud. But Keka right here, she's very loud too, man. With her, I don't have to wear earplugs though. Right now I don't have any on. Butt plugs in my ears, I got none. But she still is loud. And this is only with a slip-on exhaust. Makes a big difference.